Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Amourccy. My name is Cynthia Fournier. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Amourccy so you'll be the first to watch my new video. Today I'm gonna tell you how to save $7,200. It's easy. I invite you to watch from the beginning to the end so you don't miss any details. To save $7,200, you open a savings account. In your savings account, there is an annual interest rate and a platform not to exceed. In your savings account, you put money every month. The money you put can be small or big. It's based on what you can afford. In your savings account, the money inside, don't use it. The money you put in your savings account, don't use it. It's very important. For example, every month you can put $20, $40, $50, $60, $70, $80, $90, $100, $150 or more, but find out in the country you are to know how much you can put. You can choose to save your money, for example, for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 8 years, 9 years, 10 years, 11 years, 12 years, 13 years, 14 years or plus. For example, if you put $20 per month for 1 year is $240, 2 years is $480, 3 years is $720, 4 years is $960. $40 per month for 1 year is $480, 2 years is $960, 3 years is $1,440, 4 years is $1,920. $50 per month for 1 year is $600, 2 years is $1,200, 3 years is $1,800, 4 years is $2,400. $60 per month for 1 year is $720, 1 year is $720, 2 years is $1,440, 3 years is $2,160, 4 years is $2,880. $70 per month for 1 year is $840, 2 years is $1,680, 3 years is $2,520, 4 years is $3,360. $80 per month for 1 year is $960, 2 years is $1,920, 3 years is $2,880, 4 years is $3,840. $90 per month for 1 year is $1,080, 2 years is $2,160, 3 years is $3,240, 4 years is $4,320. I repeat, 4 years is $4,320. $100 per month for 1 year is $1,200, 2 years is $2,400, 3 years is $3,600, 4 years is $4,800, $150 $50 per month for 1 year is $1,800. 2 years is $3,600. 3 years is 5,400 and I repeat, 3 years is $5,400. 4 years is $7,200. To economize $7,200 and to save $7,200 is easy. You go to your bank and you open a saving account. In your saving account, there is an annual interest rate and a platform not to exit. It's very easy to save $7,200. In my calculation, I didn't add the annual interest rates. In my calculation, I didn't add the annual interest rates. I'm not a financial advisor. Before you start, make your research. Thanks for watching. All my videos are in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Amourccy, to share, to like, and to give me a thumbs up. All my videos are in the description below. You see, it's very easy to economize $7,200. You can choose to save your money, for example, for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 8 years, 9 years, 10 years, or 11 years, 12 years, 13 years, 14 years, or more. You see, it's very easy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Amourccy, to share, to like, and to give me a thumbs up. All my videos are in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to leave below. And see you in my next video.